Hey guys, this is man behind the camera again. So I ran my auxiliary port for the from Walmart. This what do you call it? Charger port. So this is how you want to hook yours up. So it turns off when you turn off the ignition. You see this black wire right here? So I wired it into there. And then you route your wires, and then you got the fuse right here, and then you have that, and you just ground it out right on this bolt right here. And that's like I think 12 or 11 millimeter. And when you shut the car off, it's off. That. See? Start turning up. Just like that.